Hi, I'm Difference. This is Krita, and I will show today one of very useful tool, the layer split. Let's open some picture. You see this track? It's colored into different colors, and this tool, I'm going to layer, split layer tool. It allows to create different layers. Each of them will contain one color only. So there is a list. The only thing I will change here, I will hide the original layer. Apply. I have to wait a little bit. And now you see there are different layers and each of them contain one color. If I will not hide the layer, it will like background visible and you couldn't see this, but you can make it visible or not visible anytime. Okay, that's it. Bye.